Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Anycubic Photon Mono M5S Pro, a resin 3D printer that promises exceptional print quality and advanced features. We'll explore its design, features, performance, and give you our final verdict on whether it's worth your consideration. Let's start with the design. The Anycubic Photon Mono M5S Pro maintains the brand's functional approach with a straightforward aesthetic. It features a yellow UV protective cover that lifts off, which is a bit old school compared to newer flip-up designs. The resin tank is secured with bolts, which works but feels less convenient compared to quick-release mechanisms offered by competitors. Moving on to features, this printer packs quite a punch. It boasts a 14K resolution 10.1-inch monochrome LCD, delivering incredibly detailed prints. Integrated into its design are an air heater and purifier module, maintaining optimal printing conditions and reducing resin odors. The printer's smart detection systems and leveling-free design ensure consistent print quality and reliability. Now, let's talk performance. The Anycubic Photon Mono M5S Pro impresses with its print quality. Whether you're using high-speed resin for quick prints or standard resin for easier support removal, the results are consistently high quality. The 14K resolution screen truly shines here, offering sharp details and smooth finishes comparable to more expensive models. In conclusion, the Anycubic Photon Mono M5S Pro is a top contender in the resin 3D printing market. Its exceptional print quality and advanced features make it suitable for both professionals and hobbyists seeking detailed prints with minimal hassle. While its design might lack some modern refinements, its performance more than makes up for it. That wraps up our review of the Anycubic Photon Mono M5S Pro. If you're in the market for a resin 3D printer that prioritizes print quality and reliability, this model certainly deserves your consideration. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you next time on Product Critique.